Good morning, students. Hi, today in Piles Easy Commerce, we are doing the last part of this chapter, and let us see what it is. So the entire topic is revolving around transition to e-commerce in India. मतलब slowly and gradually online shopping है ना एक आदत सी हो गई है. सो ये कौन से फैक्टर्स उस वो चीज को क्या बोलते हैं. मतलब अगर 15 साल पहले जिसने ये ई कॉमर्स चालू किया है, दे आर लाइक द किंग ऑफ टुडे बिकॉज दे फोरसी सम थिंग्स जो ट्रेडिशनल शॉप्स नहीं दे पा रही है और अ वाइडर एरिया. So first thing I have is rapid growth of internet users. Abhi you have is Internet and Mobile Association. So with that you have is subscribers. China. 80% of the things are using internet. There are so many internet providers who are coming into use. Then I have is growing awareness of e-commerce. So the awareness of e-commerce is increasing, which gives a big boost of the online thing. So B2G, B2C. So all of that is another thing that people are getting used to. Then the friends and the word of mouth, internet, they have played like Flipkart, Amazon, unka sales. People are actually waiting for that. The middle class spending capacity has increased. मतलब people अगर आज 8,000 के minimum jobs है, उसके बाद they are getting as soon as their BCom is done 18, 25, 30,000 jobs. So the spending capacity of people have also increased. And since people don't have time, they prefer to call it online. Computer education, teenagers and youngsters, they find it easier and convenient to browse the internet, online sites, compare वो लोग online ही कर रहे हैं, so they know what they are looking out for. Growth of services sector. So in the growth of services sector, I have is what are the service sector? Telecom है, banking है, insurance है, hospitality है, all of them are the services sector. Influences of Western lifestyles. So the taste of latest designs and fashions, they may resort to go to online shopping. Growing competition. So a large number of foreign brands are available in the Indian market. So which competitive Indian brands? Therefore, business firms makes it very possible effort to induce customers to buy their products. Increase in urbanization. Matlab people from rural areas have gone to the suburbs of the urban areas or a little bit close to those suburbs also. So as a result, the urban population has an advantage over rural population in terms of services, including education. Therefore, it's expected that urbanization will fuel the growth of e-commerce in India. Then I have is opportunities for Indian firms. So first I have is travel and tours. It's a major source of e-commerce in India. Customers can obtain information of the tour packages offered by various tour operators, booking of airlines or railway seats, banking or is RGTS, the NEFT, what is happening. Insurance sector that I have is house property or internet, in terms of that. Stock market is book value, earning per share, so much. Then you have is derivatives. You have so many different things in the stock market too. Consultancy services, you have is new product launch, new things. All of that comes under the consultancy services. Healthcare services are diet controlled medicines. People can obtain relating to various facilities. Retail trade, C2C model, and education sector is like mathematics, physics, English, all of that comes under this. उसके बाद I have is challenges for this transition. So first I have internal issues. Fear of unknown. अरे मुझे तो नहीं आता है, मैम ने तो ये सिखाया ही नहीं है, मुझे ऐसा करना ही नहीं है, अरे कुछ गलत हो जाएगा तो कुछ गलत बटन जब जाएगा तो, या प्रोडक्शन में है या ऑर्डर प्रोसेसिंग में है या वीआरएस में है या सीआरएस में है, कहाँ से भी कुछ ना कुछ गलत हो गया तो दैट इज नोन एज फियर ऑफ अननोन. मेरे खुद में आई एम थिंकिंग फियर ऑफ लूजिंग ब्यूरोक्रेटिक होल्ड. अरे अगर ऑनलाइन चला जाएगा तो मेरा कुछ अस्तित्व ही नहीं रहेगा. A number of malpractices, receiving kickbacks, underhand commission, जो पहले सब मिलता था अभी वो सब बंद हो जाएगा. They may block the organization's effort, corrupt senior managers. However, due to de-reservation of the public sector, there is a good competition between the public sector and the private sector. Cultural changes. the e-biz team, e-commerce. There are so many younger generations जो ये team पे है. People are adapting it. Like you'll see the social media managers would be around 21 to 25 or 28, and they're doing it so well. The top management needs to convince the senior managers regarding the relevance of e-commerce in the competitive business world. उसके बाद I have is the problem of skills. So in some organizations, employees lack skills to deal in e-commerce activities. So यहाँ पे e-commerce does not find it difficult to manage e-commerce transactions. Challenges due to external issues जो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. Lack of trust of customers. Customers lack trust in e-commerce. Most of the e-commerce doubt the quality. अरे जो दिखता है कुछ अलग ही आएगा, अजीब सा आएगा. मे बी किसी के साथ 2 बार ऐसा हुआ भी होएगा, दिखता है इतना अच्छा, आता है कुछ और कचरा. So therefore in the long term, online marketers may deliver high quality things. Hacking credit cards, they feel that hackers may misuse the cards and siphon out their money. मतलब कोई है ना ऐसे डेबिट कार्ड क्रेडिट कार्ड कुछ ना कुछ कुछ हैक हो जाएगा तो. Though there is an option of cash on delivery with Flipkart, Amazon and others. Price wars. So online marketers may resort to heavy discounts to win over the customers. Price war may be temporary policy and the long term only after the efficient firms. No entry barriers. One does not require heavy investment to market the products online. In case of bricks and mortar firms, heavy investment is required for setting up showrooms, which is not required under the online marketing. So all of that comes under no entry barriers. उसके बाद I have is the online marketing research. When I'm talking about online marketing research मतलब कौन क्या कर रहा है, नई चीज क्या लानी चाहिए, कौन से कलर्स अच्छे हैं, क्या लोगों को क्वालिटी में और प्राइस कॉन्शियसनेस कितना है, ये सब इज मार्केटिंग रिसर्च. यू विल सी ऑल दीज कंपनीज लाइक कोलगेट्स एंड ऑल, ये लाखों क्या करोड़ों रुपया करते हैं. So this is known as the research. Today even vaccine came out because there were researchers. ये 8 इंडिया के टॉप 10 कंपनीज है, वो सब रिसर्च कर रही है. कोवैक्सिन है इज वन एग्जाम्पल. तो ऐसे कितने सारे और सब्स्टिट्यूट वैक्सीन भी है. The respondent needs to be appreciated and rewarded for a cooperation. Know the consumer behavior, preferences, buying pattern, identify the target markets, tell the customers interest in the product. So steps in the so what I have is the advantages क्या है of online market research. Access to geographically diverse audience. देखो area में या thinking okay only my mom used to go. Now online है तो even the son can order. ऐसा नहीं है कि 60 ईयर 50 ईयर कोई किसी को they cannot get down, they are old people, they will just click the button and things would be delivered. They can also reach to national and international audience. The data can be used to take appropriate mixed decisions. उसके बाद I have is accuracy, sample size. अच्छा मैंने ये फॉर्म भरा है, मेरा नाम ये है, ऐसे आपको कितने सारे गूगल फॉर्म्स आते होंगे कि कैन यू फिल इट एंड नो. सो इट इज वेरी एक्यूरेट डेटा. Cheaper and faster. Cheaper because there is no need to appoint field staff to gather data, and also overhead such as expenditure on stationery, traveling is avoided. Data is transmitted instantly as and when the respondent completes the online questionnaires. Marketing opportunities. With the help of online marketing, a firm can find out the market opportunities, and accordingly they can develop better products. Marketing makes decision, product design, pricing, promotion, proper distribution of the product. Company objectives. The company is in a position to achieve its marketing objectives. The resolving of marketing problems enables a firm to achieve its marketing objectives such as higher sales and higher profits. Interaction with respondents. Based on the market research findings, the company may take changes in the marketing mix. Accordingly, the changes can be informed to the customers, which may increase the sales turnover. Disadvantages, lack of response. So when I'm talking about disadvantages, मार्केटिंग रिसर्च क्या होता है कि तूने मुझे भेजा है और मैंने ऐसे ही अच्छा ठीक है यार टाइम पास के लिए कुछ भी ऐसा लिख दिया है. प्रॉब्लम ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, lot of people are still using outdated things, they still don't have the good bandwidth. See today I can do online lectures because I have two bandwidth. मतलब I am using two different things. अगर एक नहीं चला तो दूसरा चलेगा because we are 5 of us who are using the internet. So I require a very steady one. Like besides 2 or 3 days that has happened, other than that, I have never faced any kind of internet issues. Very rarely ऐसे low दिखाता है, but it is still okay, you know. Demotivated to accurate and adequate responses. Respondent bias. They may find it difficult to overcome this problem when there is a lack of interaction between the researcher and the respondent. The respondent bias may also take place in the case of field or offline research unsuitable for certain products belonging to a middle class, lower and low income groups. Their housewives may not have the internet facility to provide the responses. So with students, with this I finished the entire module 4. I am only left with module 2, which I will start from tomorrow. Thank you, students. The source has been taken by me from Manan Prakash. Thank you, students.